Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie, and I'm back at Aldi to do a 4-year comparison. It has been exactly 4 years that I've been sharing with you grocery hauls with the prices per item, and the first video where I could find prices for every single item, I have made a list. I put it in order for the exact same store, for the exact same items. I'm going to buy every single thing that was on this 2021 haul, and I'm going to share with you the prices of today. Not only will you see in real time, this item costs this much now and it used to cost this much, we will compare the totals at the end. So be sure to watch the whole thing so you can see the comparison at the end. Okay, so they don't have the regular cheddar. Oh wait, maybe they do. I don't know, let's see. They're all the same price, so flavor doesn't matter, but these are $3.69. And when I bought them in 2021, they were $2.89. These chocolate donuts were $2.29 back in 2021, and they are now $3.15. My son is very much looking forward to me bringing these home. This chunky salsa is only $1.79 right now. It could have been up to $2.45, so we're having luck there. But in 2021, it was still better. It was $1.19. I used to love buying this bread, but I don't buy it as much anymore, probably because it's $3.99 now, and in 2021 it was $1.99. Now I'm going to mark some of my items off on the list here, but the reason I'm doing this as its own haul is if it were part of a weekly grocery haul, I'd have other things I want to get, but I want to buy the exact same things for comparing one haul to the other. I just don't want to miss things. A head of cauliflower is going to set me back $2.95, but in 2021 it was $1.89. I'm wondering if anything's going to be less expensive or even the same price. $3.39 for romaine is the closest thing to a 2021 price. It was $2.99 back then, so not too far different. I got 2 mangoes in 2021 at 69 cents a piece, and now they're 85 cents a piece. So it's $1.60 now versus $1.38 then. And this is probably the biggest shocker of them all. Eggs in 2021 were 66 cents for a dozen, and here it's $5.03. I could have bought at least 6 of them for the same price. I know there's a lot of factors that go into it, but still it's kind of shocking. Okay, it's our closest price yet. It's $1.89 for these in 2021, and they're still only $1.99. A gallon was $1.67, and now it's $2.61. Vanilla almond milk was $1.79, and now it's $2.39. Still love it though. I bought 4 strawberry yogurts for $1.28. Now they're going to be 59 cents a piece, so they have gone up. That's back when my kids would eat yogurt. I'm going to get 4 of them for $2.36. Potatoes are pretty close. They were $3.29 back in 2021, and they're only $3.69 now. Still such a wonderful value in the kitchen, which is why I make them so often. Tomato sauce used to be 26 cents. Now it's 47 cents. And I got 2 cans of tomato paste. I got 2 cans of tomato paste for 41 cents a piece, or 82 cents. Now they're 79 cents a piece. They've basically doubled. Celery was 99 cents. Now it's $1.69. Black beans used to be 50 cents a piece. I got 2 of them for $1, and now they're 85 cents a piece. Italian croutons, we've been buying them for years. They were 89 cents 4 years ago, and now they're $1.19. Carrots remain a wonderful value. They were $1.29 2 years ago for 2 pounds, and now they're $1.49. I've been buying this applesauce for years for my daughter. She loves it. My husband does too, but it was $1.95 4 years ago. Now it's $3.09. $2.19 for my favorite granola back in 2021. It looks a little different, but I think this is still the same one, just slightly updated branding, and it's only $2.39. Oh boy, this one was $1.55 4 years ago, and now it's $2.75 rice squares. I've loved the day cream for a long time. This might be the only thing we see this. It was $3.99 4 years ago, and now it's $3.69. Bonus. I think the only thing we won't be able to find was a bleach cleaner I had that on my list, but they don't even sell it anymore. Beef broth isn't that different. It was $1.19 4 years ago, and now it's $1.35. The bag of rigatoni was only 99 cents, and now it's $1.95. These tortillas are $1.95, and they used to be $1.15. This went from 50 cents to 95. These are almost exactly the same. Garlic powder and onion powder, 99 cents a piece, and they used to be 95, so not too far. It was $1.70 for my bag of flour in 2021, and now it's $2.35. That's actually the only price that I didn't say out loud in the video, but when I subtracted everything else from the total, I was left with $1.70, so my math helped me on that one. These waters used to be 55 cents a piece plus 10 cents deposit, but now they're 89 cents plus 10 cent deposit. I got 2 of them. I'll get 2 now. We have long loved the hummus. It was $2.59, so this is a little help for the 2025, but it's on sale for $1.99 or marked down. But it was $1.49 in 2021. I will agree. Us Aldi fans, it's a favorite in our house. Mexi cheese is the exact same price it was 4 years ago, and it's the same size bag, $2.99. However, the mozzarella was $2.75, and now it's $3.79. Again, it is the same size bag. These organic mixed vegetables went from $1.35 a piece to $1.59. I got 2 of them before. I'll get 2 now. Peas are 97 cents now, and back in 2021 they were 75 cents. Cauliflower rice hasn't changed too much. It used to be $1.49, now it's $1.69. Still love it. This exact Winking Owl went from $2.95 to $3.95. I'm gonna have to find something to cook that in. I got a cookies and cream and a cookie dough ice cream for $3.78, and now they're $2.85 a piece. I actually can't believe it because they don't always have the pickled popcorn, but they do right now. So I got 4 of them at $1.69 before, and now I'm gonna get 4 at $1.99. I love this stuff. It won't go to waste, but it's really fun to me how they have it now, and they did 4 years ago in January too. Okay, so I have all this stuff. I'm gonna double check my list, and I'm gonna take out the bleach from the previous haul so that it's exactly the same. Any guess on how far different it's gonna be, whether you wanna say money or percentage wise? I'm excited to go over it. Okay, so who's excited to see the comparison? Obviously, Aldi still is a great value brand compared to others, and we know it costs more. Like, there's no doubt about that. But I'm excited to see how much more did it cost. I just got out. It got dark out. You know, it's winter time. It gets dark early. But take away the cost of the bleach cleaner from this, and we'll compare the two. Let me do some math. In 2021, for the exact same items, I spent $74.75. In 2025, I spent $103.96. Woo-wee! So there's 2 ways you can say it. In 2021, I paid 71.9% of what I paid today in 2025. Or said another way, my groceries in 2025 were 139% of what they were in 2021 for the exact same thing. And I literally bought the exact same things. It's kind of crazy. No wonder it feels more expensive every time I go grocery shopping. Plus my kids are older and eating more, and we're doing more things. Yikes. But that's why I'm so grateful that I get to share with you guys grocery shopping, grocery hauls. It helps me to afford groceries, and I'm so grateful for you guys for that. And if you want to see the original grocery haul, the first one where I shared prices on every single thing, the one that I copied tonight, you can watch this video from 2021. It looks a little different. I hope you like it. Check it out. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.